Okay, I've read online that when you have a Ubuntu or any kind of 64-bit Linux OS, the Adobe Flash 64-bit doesn't work all that great with Ubuntu. Like, you can't use your Yahoo Messenger from the website. It won't log you in, and it'll close out your, like, when you watch some videos on YouTube, it'll close out your Firefox and all that. So I found this thing. I need to put it in some package manager. Where's that? Okay. Anyway, let me go type here. And you have to, like, from what I know, there's no repositories. And oh, by the way, I'm using Ubuntu 9.10, and with all the updates currently. Today's date is March 26th or 27th, 2010. Alright, what you do is type in NSP, and you want to install this one, install this one. And I would just click on this and just go install, install both of them, it's whatever. And you install and close out that. And then they'll let you use a 32-bit for all your things. But if you use, Firefox or you get to or Google Chrome, what I used to use, and YouTube, as I type in any random video, oh, they must have updated it. Well, if you don't have all the updates, this will do it. And it won't do it sometimes, and sometimes it will. Blah 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 blah. And sometimes it will work. But I find it works best with Songbird. Songbird is an awesome OS. Shoot, can't do that. Songbird is an awesome OS. I mean an OS, a browser, I would say, and has a music player and a web browser, and you can download stuff from any website, which I thought was pretty cool. There's sounds like this, or like grid view, like this. Let's click on that. Stick in the media level, and yeah, it's pretty damn cool. I mean, I use some of this, and yeah, it's just pretty damn cool. I haven't had any problems yet with it. So, yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much.